There are plenty of ways to earn online. More often than not, the easy and fast ways to earn money won't bring you thousands of dollars in a day. But these few bucks of $3, $4, and $5 from multiple sources can be big money if you save and add them all up by the end of the month or year. It is how you handle any money that comes to you that makes the difference. It is how you see that every cent that comes to you is important. It is your mindset that sets you apart from the others. And most importantly, hey, you are doing something to earn money for yourself and not depending on anyone. This is why we are here for you, providing you with more ways than one on how to make money online. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Earning money online has never been easier. I will guide you through today's way to earn money online step by step. To get us started, you will need to access a website, so get your laptop, computer, or phone ready. If you have your device ready, go ahead and navigate to the website www.pexels.com. On the website, you will find different photos that you can download for free. You will need to search specifically for black and white photos. If you already found the black and white photos, no color at all, this is what you need to earn money today. Now to continue, you need to access the website colorize.sg. This website lets you colorize your black and white photos. So get a black and white photo from pexels.com that we can use as an example. Remember that what we need is a black and white photo, so no colored photo, please. We will turn the black and white photo into a colored photo. That is how you will be able to make money online. If you scroll down on colorize.sg, you will find the option to upload your black and white photo I asked you to download earlier. Once your photo is uploaded, you can turn it into a colored photo and earn $5 and more. Don't forget that you can also do this on your phone, so not having a computer should not stop you from earning money. Now choose the black and white photo you want to work on today and upload it. You will see that the original photo is black and white, which you can now colorize with this bar that you swipe from left to right. You can see the change happening with the swipe of the bar. Everything is for free, and you can colorize your black and white photo in just one swipe. To continue, you will need to download the colorized photo. Click on the option Download Result at the bottom of the photo you worked on. You should now have the end result and have successfully converted a black and white photo into a colored photo and downloaded the colored photo, everything for free without needing to sign up. Take advantage of this opportunity, as this is a really easy way to earn money online. That is everything you need to do to turn a black and white photo into a colorful photo. Download the result of your work and we should be done with this step. If you find the steps to colorize a photo easy, hit like and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new videos we have. Now, back to the video. You might be asking, when do I get to earn money with these colored photos? I'm getting there in this second. Let me just show you another website where you can remove the background of a photo. You just need to go to the website www.remove.bg to remove the background on a photo. Go ahead and click on the blue Upload Image button. Choose a photo you want to remove the background on, and with just one click, you can download the photo without the background by clicking on the option that says Download. You don't need to create an account or pay for this tool, as everything is for free. You can also do this on your phone, whichever is available for free. This is a service that pays $5 to $10. Now getting to the best part, how do you actually earn money by colorizing and removing the background on a photo? Let me show you the website called Fiverr.com. Once you're on the site, on the search bar, you want to type colorize photo. You will find the results that show you people that are offering the service of colorizing and removing the background on photos. You will see that people are actually paying for the service for $5 and shows you how many people left a review after paying for the service. Just do the math. $5 multiplied by the number of customers you will have. Look at this guy right here who is offering to colorize photos professionally for $20 each photo. It shows that there are 633 reviews on his page. $20 multiplied by 633 means that he earned $12,660 just by colorizing photos. So what is stopping you? You can also do the same thing by just colorizing photos like the colorize.sg I have shown you earlier. There are even other packages with different prices on the Fiverr.com website. There are a lot of opportunities to earn money on the website. The new sellers on this website are asking for $5 to colorize and restore photos from a black and white photo. This is a much cheaper price because he is just new on the site, but still $5 is a lot as he already had 614 customers. That is an easy $3,070 for him just by colorizing photos. Isn't this an easy way to make money online? You just have to know the right websites. If you plan to do this, you will need to click on the option to join on Fiverr.com. You will need to click the Become a Seller option to create an account for free. Enter your email address and click on Continue. Did you enjoy colorizing and removing background from your photos? Did you find any tricks for choosing the black and white photos to edit? Comment your answer in the comment section below and help out those who are new to these applications. If you are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the like and subscribe button now so you don't miss out on great content. Another website you can use is peopleperhour.com. Live your work dream as the site says. Click on the button to search and then click on Search Offer. You will find that there are a lot of people selling different services on this website. Now go ahead and search the keyword background removal. You will be amazed that there are people offering services to remove the background of photos for $35. This is when you can use the site remove.pg that I showed you earlier. If you scroll down, you can see that there are a lot of sellers taking advantage of this opportunity just by removing the background of the photos. Some are selling the services for $5, $20, and even $35. Start small and make a lot of money. The last tip for the day. This is an even easier way to make money online. Use the software Browse and Bank. The software will pay you for browsing the internet. If you are watching a YouTube video, you can get paid by doing this. Scrolling through TikTok and Facebook can get you paid every single hour with Browse and Bank. You can see that people are earning money on this software, like $70 for 33 minutes by just browsing on Facebook. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.